manager, where are you? Oh, manager, come out. I know you can hear me from that place. Oh, manager, come out. If you don't come out from this place you are now, I will show you why the crabs are always in the mud. Oh, manager, come out and tell me why you have chosen to throw common sense away and choose madness instead. Oh, manager, why did you ask your only son, your only surviving child, to leave his father's house, never to return? How dare you? Oh, manager, so in addition of being mad, you have become deaf? Oh, manager! Oh, manager! Let me tell you something. This your stubbornness will not lead you to anywhere. This your stubbornness will not lead you to anywhere. Oh, manager! Is it that I am a ghost or that you are not seeing me? Oh, manager, are you not the one I'm talking to? Oh, manager! Oh, manager! Oh, it appears that you are not seeing who is talking to you, or that I am now a ghost. Oh, manager, let me tell you something. I will show you that I am an Ichie in this community, and you have an explanation to make. Why did you... Hey! Oh, manager! Oh, manager! You pour water on an Ichie like me? Ah! Oh, manager, I command you to apologize. I say you must apologize. Eh? Oh, manager. Oh, manager. Is it that I am a ghost that you are not seeing me? Yeah. Oh, manager. You have done the worst. The worst you have chosen. Oh, manager. Oh, manager, stop this. Stop. I apologize. I say you must apologize to this. Or the king must hear this. Oh, manager, stop it. Oh, manager. Is it that you are not hearing me at all, or you are not seeing me? Have I now suddenly become a ghost? Oh, manager, I will not leave this compound until you express... Hey! Oh, manager! Hey! Stop it! Stop it, oh, manager! Stop it! Stop it! You know your stubbornness will not lead you anywhere. Stop it, oh, manager! Stop it! Stop it! Let me tell you something. I couldn't, whether you like it or not. Let me tell you something. I will not leave this compound until you tell me why you ask your only son, your only survivor. Hey! Don't worry. I will tell you that I'm an Ichie. That is shame on you. Shame on you. Whether you like it or not, you will not continue to live alone. Your son, Akune, must take possession of his father's house. Eh? Get over yourself and stop this madness, Obalije. Get over yourself and stop this madness. Look at an old woman like you. It's not as if you don't have relatives that are capable of helping you. But you have chosen to be alone. To be a loner. Shame on you. You wash, you cook by yourself, sweep by yourself, whereas you have us. I am here to send good news to you. Obalije. Will you stop? Will you stop this, Obalije? Eh? Obalije, will you stop it? Eh? Will you, whether you like it or not, Akune, your son, must return and take over this house. Hey! Oh, Obalije! Hey! The king must hear this. Our king must be aware of this insult. And then you will know what it means to be an Ichie. Obalije, will you stop this? Obalije, what are you doing? Are you sweeping me out of your compound? Obalije, stop this! This is an abomination! This is an abomination to sweep an Ichie away! This is an abomination! Obalije, stop it! Stop! Stop this thing! Stop it at once! Stop it at once! Eh? The king must hear. Stop it! Stop it! Whether you like it or not, Akune must come and take possession of his father's house. You shall hear from me, Bashir. Eh? You are not going to be a loner. Someone must help you because you have relatives. Nobody there. You shall hear from me. This is an abomination that you have committed, and you must regret it. And it's not like me, and it's not like me. cannot believe it. Look at my body. So Akunne is finding it difficult to pick my call. Eh? Today of all days. And he's ignoring me.
Hello.
Akunne, so you're now finding it difficult to pick my call, okay? I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. So you don't know how to greet again. So you have suddenly lost the sense of decorum. You don't know how to greet.
Uncle, good afternoon.
There is nothing good about the afternoon. Absolutely nothing.
Uncle, what has my mother done this time?
Everything. Your mother, Almalije, nearly killed me today.
What?
Eh? You asking me what? Your mother used the water with which she was washing her mouth with and battered me with it. As if that was not enough, she decorated my body with dust and tried literally to sweep me out of her compound. A titled man like me. Akunne, a titled man like me.
I don't know what to say.
You don't know what to say? Hey! Hey! Your mother has totally gone out of control. That is what I want you to know. If she can do all this to me, who knows what she's capable of doing to a total stranger?
Mama, please, I am just trying to help. Mama, this thing is heavy. You can't get far with it. How can someone be so stubborn?
Yes. Why I am telling you this is for you to know the extent of the situation. Something needs to be done fast. Otherwise, Almalije, your mother will commit the kind of offense that will land all of us into trouble.
Let me just help you, please.
Who knows what she's up to? Who knows who Almalije will offend this time? It is only God that will help us. Only God.
Mama. What is Mama? No, what is Mama? Eh? Why can't you leave someone alone to mind her business? You want to help, you want to help. Want to help me with what? I don't need your help. How do you even begin to define the word help? You help yourself first by minding your business. You wanted to help me with water. Now you have enough water. Ozuko?
was just trying to help.
Now I have to go back again to fetch water. Send me a Biko. Let me go and help myself. And don't you dare follow me again.
This is trouble. Oh, my
I don't believe this. I was only trying to help. What?
Stupid girl. Stupid village. Stupid kingdom. Why am I surrounded by people so stupid? I wake up every morning wanting to kill myself. Mind your business. That's what Omalije wants from everyone. Mind your business. Do not look for my trouble, and I will not look for your trouble. Don't love me so that I don't become responsible for your life, death, and destruction. Idiots.
What is going on? Why are you doing this? Eh?
What am I
Can you
doing
get
what?
your hands off me now?
No!
I said get your hands off me now.
No, Obiora. If you are not taking me inside your bedroom, we are going to do it here and right now. No.
What have I gotten myself into? Why are you doing this?
Why am I doing it? Obiora, so you think because you are a prince, you can walk into people's life and walk out the way you want it? No! It's not where Obegele is. No! Please, let's just go inside. Let's go.
Stop this. I made no promises to you, right? I don't like this. You sound crazy.
Yes. And that is because this relationship is not going to end until I say so.
Can you get your hands off me now?
No.
Can you leave me now, please? My father will soon be back. Get your
That's
hands off me.
good. Let him come back and see what is happening. Let him come back and see us. No. All right, let's just go. Let's go do it.
Can you stop this, please? I don't like this. Can you get your hands off me now?
No, it's good.
I said get your hands off me.
No.
Get your hands off me.
No, let's go and do it. Let's go.
Stop this.
Yes, let's go.
Stop this. Princess, are you okay? Princess Adora.
No. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Please don't go. I want you to do something.
Stop this now.
No.
This is your problem. Stop this. Okay?
No, Obiora, no.
I'll ask you for the last time. What happened to you?
And I'm going to tell you for the last time. I fell into a puddle of water. What's so hard to understand?
Oh, really? You fell into a puddle of water?
Yes.
Okay. So was the water muddy or clean water?
What sort of stupid question is that? Of course it was muddy.
It was muddy. Oh, I see.
Obiora, can you leave now?
Hey, Princess Adora. When next you want to tell a lie, please rehearse your story so well so that you don't sound stupid while saying it.
Excuse me?
You said you fell into a puddle of water, but I did not see any sign of it when you came back. Huh? There was no mud on your body when you came back.
Well, that doesn't mean I didn't fall. I definitely fell. I fell into a puddle of water.
Don't insult my intelligence. You left this palace without a maid. You left this palace without a guard. You left this palace without a car. And you're here telling me that you fell into a puddle of water? When you came back with clean water on your body, looking like someone that saw a ghost.
Obiora, please. Can I have space? Can you leave my room? You're starting to irritate me.
I'm going to find out the truth.
Good for you.
That's what I'm thinking. Did you get what I said? Did you hear what I said?
No, I'm thinking.
Just hold this thing. I don't understand. How can a cup of water make me feel better in this condition?
Obiageli, when a man says he doesn't want you again, there is absolutely nothing you can do about it. That's the painful truth.
What do you mean? So you expect me to just walk away?
Yes, he told you the truth. And he compensated you for it. Take the money and walk!
Over my dead body. So you are seeing me as a prostitute?
I never implied that.
Then, what do you mean? How do you expect me to take the money and forfeit my rightful place as the queen of this land?
Obiageli.
Ifaka, you are insane.
Obiageli.
You are insane. Yes.
Obiageli, when you started dating the prince, you yourself told me it was all for fun. In fact, you guys never even got as far as saying the words "I love you" to each other. So, why don't you just accept this? Why don't you just accept this situation and walk? Why are you acting as if you gave you a ring?
Yes. I should have known it. I should have known it that you never supported my relationship with the prince.
Obiageli.
Yes! Ifaka, why won't you mock me now that everything is over? Mock me, I know. Do it. Go ahead. Please, just hold it for yourself. Yes, I know it. Why should I even come to seek advice from a woman who has no man in her life? Why?
Obiageli.
Just hold it. It is now time to tell people the truth about themselves. Let me also tell you the truth about your own self.
What truth?
The truth that Ifakawa, you are going to grow old and die alone. Yes, that is the truth. Excuse me.
Mama, good evening. You know, after our little incident yesterday, I called up some friends because I could not understand why I'd offered to help someone only to get punished for it. Guess what? That's when they told me about the woman on my leash. No, don't get me wrong. I've always known about you ever since my teenage years. But I always thought you were a legend, you know, and I never thought I would one day, you know, come see you face to face. Can I help you carry your firewood? Right. How can I forget? Omalije likes it when people mind their business. Not like I like trouble and I enjoy minding my business. But I hate abandoning old women with heavy loads on their head. So, this is what I'll do. I will keep following you until you get tired and have no option but to let me. Oh, finally, a reaction. Yay. Right. So say, you will have no option but to let me help. So, I'll follow you.
What you sow is what you reap. What goes around comes around, yeah. No condition is permanent in life. Careful what you do. Be careful what you say. Oh no.
I hate to see when people change from good to bad because of you, yeah. I learn how to save a life. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. If an eme, 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 if an eme. Some woman sat evil. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. If an eme, 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 if an eme. Some woman sat evil. Yeah, yeah.
So this is where she lives. But she does not want me to come in.
If an eme, 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 if an eme.
Now, Father, please. You need to drop this. Please.
Drop what? What exactly do you want me to drop, Obiora? Do I look like a fool to you? No, is that what I look like to you? Now listen. If you cannot make up your mind on something at this age, then be ready for some other persons to do it for you.
In that case, this conversation is over.
Obiora, don't dare walk out on me. You dare not, Obiora!
Watch me.
Obiora! Are you walking out on me?
Is she a ghost? Where has she been from?
You have been following me.
No, my princess.
Did my brother send you?
Oh, no. It's just that I saw you living on Manije's compound.
That's not possible because I did not even enter the compound in the first place.
Oh, really? Why are you there then? Did he send you? My princess, I just want you to be careful, okay? That woman on Manije, you don't know who she is.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Tell me more.
On Manije, some people says she is a loner. Others says she is a mad woman. But me, Obegeli, I am saying that she is a lonely, mad woman. Omalije is a very, very difficult person. Yes.
Really?
She is not an easy-go person. In fact, if you try as much as you can to help her, she will make life miserable for you.
Seriously?
She will make you regret it. Yes. Omalije will not help anyone. And she does not want anyone around her place. In fact, you know what? I don't know why you'll be going there in the first place. I mean, is it for the prince? Did he send you?
Obi, like I said, it is none of your business.
I know. Princess, but
take care now.
Princess, you just have to be careful, oh. Omalide is not who you think she is, oh. I know what I'm saying. Just be careful. My princess, just be careful, oh.
My beautiful mother. So you are finally back. Mama, I really missed you. You are surprised to see me, right? That was the plan. I planned it like that. For some time now, Mama, I have really missed you. So I decided to come and make you happy.
Diabetes. Hey! Cancer.
What?
So your plan is to come and kill me?
God, Mama, why would you say a thing like that?
How many times have I warned you to stop bringing all these things for me?
Mama, you need them. You know you need these things.
I need them to die, right? Mama. Now get them out of my compound.
Mama, you need these things.
Get these things out of my compound.
Mama, why are you sounding like this?
People! Neighbors!
Mama.
Where are you people, oh?
Mama, stop this thing. Stop this thing.
My son has come to kill me.
Hey, Mama, no.
My son has come to kill me, oh.
Mama, I'm begging you, please. Okay, Mama, please.
Because he has a knife. He has a knife to my neck.
Mama, if you stop screaming, I promise to take them away. Just say what I will do to make you happy, and I will do it.
Stop coming to visit me. Oh! Dios.
Mama, take good care of yourself. I want you to know I'll always love you.
What you sow is what you reap. What goes around comes around, yeah. No condition is permanent in life. Careful what you do. Be careful what you say. Oh no.
I hate to be seen when people change
Mama,
from good to bad because of you. Yeah. I learn how to say.
Something is wrong with my mother. I don't know what that thing is or why it is happening. But something is definitely wrong with my mom. The question here is, how do I find out what that thing is?
Nem, what are you doing in my compound this early morning?
I hope there's no problem. Manso I was about cooking, so I found matches. Matches.
You don't have matches.
So I know from here to the market is very far, and my children will soon come back from school.
So you need matches, right?
Matches.
You don't understand what I'm saying. Now, if I give you matches, you'll be fine.
Just wait for me, I'll get Thank you. But I know I can always count on you.
Oh, Nem.
That whatever they are saying about you this year.
You so fast, see? Easy when I know. So what do I'll get you the matches?
Thank you. Hey, thank you.
Hey, tell them no. Hey, as if I'm central bank of matches. Eh? I have become president of Beggars Association. Idiot. After you don't know what they are saying, after talking about me behind my back. But come now. Today you want matches, tomorrow you want salt. Next tomorrow it will be my blood. Diala. Can't forget again. Nonsense.
Igwe, count me out. Count me out. Whatever thing my sister has done or did in the past, I don't want to know. Just count me out.
Now listen to me. This woman standing here before you just reported that your sister beat her up. Can you imagine that?
Then why am I here, Igwe? Huh? Did Omalije use my hand to beat her up? Why is the person who committed the crime not summoned?
As a matter of fact, she was summoned. But I don't know why she's not here up to this moment.
Then why am I here instead of her?
Before you insult my intelligence, you and I know that it is an abomination in this land. Applying force on a widow like this. You know it. No matter the offense. That is exactly what your sister has done.
With due respect, I want to know, why was this woman in Omalija's house in the first place?
Oh, she just went there to ask for a matches. That's all.
Oh, she went there to look for matches. Igwe, sorry to say this. Woman, you are the most stupid woman that has ever lived before Christ. And you will continue to be very stupid, Eddie.
Mo? But why do you have to say that? When you're supposed to be telling this woman sorry on behalf of your sister, you are insulting her?
Igwe, with due respect, let's call a spade and a cat a cat. Of all the places to go and look for matches, she had to go to Omalija's house. Ha! Anyway. Oh.
She is my neighbor and I had no choice.
She's your neighbor and you had no choice.
Oh, that is it.
You had to go because she's your neighbor. Okay? Wait. You're going to be more respectful. Eh? I know you are afraid of Omalije. I am more afraid of Omalije than anyone you can think of in this community. Likewise, every soul here living in this community. With this, I want to say that I have more important meeting to attend.
No, but is that all you have to do? She's your sister. You must do something. Are you not going to look into the plight of this woman?
But you are the Igwe. You are the Igwe.
She's your sister. Your blood.
You are the Igwe.
And you are working out? She's your sister.
She's my sister, but you're the Igwe.
But you just living like that?
Igwe, do your job. I am only a chair.
Well, I'll think of something to do. At the moment, you can excuse me too. Why would this woman continue to be terrorizing everybody in this kingdom? A woman?
She's back home.
Obiora, what do you want?
An explanation.
On?
Where are you coming from?
Personal business. Don't you have any?
You see it? I told you your sister is up to something, but you wouldn't listen. Only God knows. You see?
You stay here? Are you still here?
What do you mean by that? See, Obiora, I am here to give you an important information and you're acting as if. Please, see, your sister is... Are you working out on me? Obiora! See, Obiora, if you think you can get rid of me, it's a lie. You can't. In fact, you can't try it. You know what? I am waiting for you here. Go and come back. I'm here for you. Obiora!
Princess.
Father.
Are you going to finally say something? Or do you want me to force...
I think there's something wrong with me.
I beg your pardon?
I can't explain it myself either. But I know there is something strange going on here.
Oh, Princess, I don't understand you.
Father, I am sorry to have bothered you in the first place. I believe this is something I need to handle on my own. Excuse me, please.
What?
Excuse me, please.
Hey! Stop there! I said you stop there, I'm off here. Neki said, I call you. What are you doing in my compound?
Mama, good morning, ma.
What is good about the morning? How dare you come into my compound? And what is this that you brought to my compound?
Util, be first wife, is back from her village. Mama, she asked me to bring this for you.
Hey, and you stupid. Look at your head. With this scale like you brought this nonsense here? Are you... shut up while I talk before Walolas Ochaga Fono. What kind of human being are you? Mama, what? She said you came with these crooked legs of yours. Naked. Look at your face. It's people like you that give birth to children and marry Fejifeme. Eh? Now carry this thing back to her. I said carry it back.
Mama, I'm only respecting you.
You're respecting me?
Because I'm respecting you.
You're respecting
I'm
me.
respecting Mama. Mama, is
Mmadụ mmadụ njọ ka ebe ọ nọ ajọ nwaanyị si ajọ obodo na-aga n'azụ mmadụ iche kedu anụmanụ a mmadụ njọ.
Why are you yelling this morning? Is everything okay?
How dare you bring this nonsense food to my house? You're doing an idiot. Put this thing down. I don't have time for blockhead. Put it down. You see what I'm Zuzu Paba on a frapwa. Fella there, man. Your boy, I'm going in. No land the ban.
Omalije.
Yes?
Omalije, what is your problem this morning?
Don't you ever bring fruit to my house again. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Omalije, I went to bring this thing from my father's house.
Hey! I said it. From Obodazu. You went to Obodazu to bring this. A land filled with ill luck. I don't want anything from your father's land.
You cannot come to my house this morning and insult me. I will not take it from you.
What would you do? Well, am I lying? I always say the truth. Obodazu, a kingdom where their king killed himself, committed suicide. But do you blame him? How can you come from a kingdom where things are going backwards? Or walk? It can't work. You people are filled with evil.
Omalije, leave my house.
Me, leave my house. My friend, shut up. If you had not brought this nonsense to my house, would I be here? I even feel sorry for myself. I brought myself to your compound on my feet. Do you know what that means? Ill luck. But guess what? I'm going to shower this body over and over again until I get rid of it. Back to sender. Don't you ever think you're doing me any good by bringing nonsense into my compound. Fear! Don't ever come to my house again. I'm off your name for butter. Banana lesilele. Kiteka wole yanya. Ibu bad luck abibu. Obielo ogum gewu.
Hey, Ifaka. You need to see the way he humiliated me. My own man. In fact, do you know where I slept last night? At the boys' quarter. Me, a whole me, the queen of this kingdom. Hi, in fact, can you imagine that? Hi, hey. In fact, are you listening to me? Eh? Is she there? Ifaka, please. I came here so that we can put heads together and bring my man back. Biko. Ifaka! Hey! Oh. Hey! Me, the queen of this kingdom, slept at the boys' quarter. Oh, Mbano. Hey! Ifaka!
And where are you going?
Obiora, what are you doing here?
What am I doing here? Well, the last time I checked, I live in this palace. And you, in the other hand...
Oh my goodness, what am I going to do to get you off my business? Seriously, what?
Oh, really? Let me tell you something. You need to grow up and stop sneaking in and out of the palace like a common criminal. Did you hear what I said?
I don't have time for this.
Oh, I see. You don't have time for this. Let me tell you. You will have the time when I find out who and what you are risking your life and safety for.
Risking my life? How?
You heard me loud and clear. You've been sneaking out of the palace without any of the guards and without even any of the cars. Tell me, does he know that you are a princess?
He? You think this is about a guy? Typical.
I know it's about a guy. And I must tell you that I will find him. Did you hear what I said? I must find him. And if it's not what you are doing, trust me, I will scale him alive, and I'm serious about it.
Mama, good morning. Mama, good morning. Mama, good morning. I'm greeting. Please, I greeted you now. Ha.
Oh, Manicha. Kedu? Nemo. I made your favorite. Oh? Yeah, eat. Whoops. You like it, right? Once you lift your head up, I know you're enjoying it. Nemo. Whoops! Itaji engaji bam 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 barapu engaji apu engaji. Ikazina mamu. Hi.
I don't understand this. I can't process any of these. A woman who doesn't associate well with anyone in this kingdom is best friends with a mad woman. How is that even remotely possible in the normal scheme of things? Who is this mad woman and what is so special about her?
My princess, you're back. Hey! Hey! What is going on in this palace? Every day by day, I keep wondering what is going on in this palace. One can say,
Your Majesty, he said that to you?
Oh yes, she did. And I'm both confused and worried at this moment.
Your Majesty, if you don't mind my asking, the princess, is she of the peculiar kind?
I'll go to Rumbe.
Your Majesty.
This is not the time to speak in riddles. What exactly are you driving at?
I'm only asking if the princess is spiritually gifted.
I'll go to Rumbe. My daughter has always lived a normal life. A very normal life.
Being spiritually gifted does not make the person abnormal, Your Majesty.
I'll go to Rumbe. You're not helping me right now. You're not helping matters at all.
Your Majesty, put a tail on her.
Why? No, I won't do a thing like that.
Why?
I'll go to Rumbe. Listen to me. I will never intrude in my daughter's private life. She has come of age. You don't expect me to pay anybody to begin to monitor her, do you? No, that is the last thing that I would ever do. I can't go that far.
Why? Why would you do that?
I think I need a drink. Guards! Is anybody there? Please get me a drink!
Your Majesty, you have to hear me out.
I can't believe that I have a visitor and nobody has bothered to serve anything. No, this is not happening.
Your Majesty, where are you going?
To take the drink, of course. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Your Majesty,
yes.
Both you and I know that you simply want me to change the subject. I have agreed to change it, but let me ask, why is the prince not ready to get married? Who is that young lady that usually comes here to visit him? Is he not going to marry her? People are talking and asking questions. Your Majesty.
Some woman sat are evil. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Majesty.
Welcome.
What is this code reception all about? Which one is Nai? Welcome.
Omalije came and insulted me.
What? Omalije did what? Omalije came here and insulted you. Hey! Omalije came here and insulted you.
Nani, please. I am not saying it for you to get angry or react about it. I'm only saying it because I want us to find a solution to this problem. Omalije used to be my friend.
I don't want that friendship into this. This is the last straw that will go through the camel's back. I am going to deal with Omalije. Don't ask me to stop this time around. I will commit murder now.
Nani, please, you make this worse, please.
Stop it! I said I am going there now to commit murder. I am going to commit murder. Murder is what I'm committing now. Omalije! Come out here! You have the guts to come to my house and insult my wife! Omalije! Omalije has the guts to do this? It's okay. For Omalije to do this kind of thing, this is serious. Hey! Hey! Omalije!
My prince, I don't mean to disrespect the princess, But I have noticed something. And that thing has been eating me up. In fact, it's a big problem. And I can't fold myself like a puff-puff and watching myself to die in silence. I said to myself, I have to speak up. That is what I'm saying now.
Well, Jeku.
My prince.
Thank you so much for trusting me, okay? Thank you for trusting me to speak up. So go ahead.
My prince, don't get me wrong at all. In fact, I don't try to discredit Princess. In fact, she is my younger, in fact, I'm seeing her as my younger sister. In fact, she doesn't behave like other girls in her own status. I don't care. No! She is very humble, very calm. In fact, she is my friend. But she surprised me today. Do you know that Princess passed me at the gate without uttering or sparing any word of greetings to me, even to Fiakwa? And that's what?
Hold on. She left the palace without the guards or the cars?
Yes. In fact, my prince.
It's okay, okay? Trust me, I will handle it.
My prince, it's better because I don't want Princess to get into trouble with the king. Because nothing else.
She went out. Don't worry yourself, okay?
My prince, don't be angry. The way I'm seeing things now, with my meter, I'm seeing Princess is inside trouble. Yes, and a kind of trouble that both of us cannot describe.
It's okay. Don't worry. I'll handle it like I said. You can go.
Yes, my prince.
Anybody home? Whew. Okay. This might just be the biggest mistake I have ever made in my life. But I do not have any bad intentions towards this house. I am only here to help. Mama! Mama! Awake. I'll soon be done from here. When I came in and I looked, I saw you sleeping, so I did not know what else to do. But I cleaned everywhere and I made you some breakfast. I'm I'm almost done here. And once I'm done, I'll leave.
Your Majesty, if I don't marry Obiora, I'm going to kill myself.
No.
I will kill myself.
Young lady, please calm down. It hasn't gotten to that.
It has. It has, Your Majesty. I don't know what I have done. Obiora have chosen to humiliate me every day. Why? Your Majesty, I'm going to kill myself. Yes.
Well, I've not heard from Obiora. But then again, I am telling you, just calm down. It hasn't gotten to that, okay?
Oh my God, Your Majesty, you don't understand. You don't. Please, have he said anything to you? Please.
Talk of the devil. Obiora, she want to kill herself if you don't marry her. Obiora, come back here. You can't walk away. Obiora, it is only weaklings that run away from their problem. Come back here and face it.
Your Majesty, you see what I'm saying? I'm definitely going to kill myself. You can see that. Just look at him.
Please, like I said, it's okay.
I thought I told you not to allow that girl into this palace again.
My prince, yes, you did. In fact, that day I tried to stop her. She was shouting. To the extent that the thing attracted your father, and your father demanded that I should let her in.
I wish I can find a way to get rid of that girl.
My prince, please, it's just a suggestion. I don't mean to say this, but see, Obi is a good woman. She is a fine lady. When both of you got together, I assume.
You assumed what? Huh?
I mean, both of you, like husband and wife. You see?
Hey, shut up! Let me tell you something. This should be the last time you will talk to me about marriage. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, my friend. But Obi is a good woman. In fact, I'm my prince. Hey. Hi! I can't believe this one. A crown prince, for that matter, don't want to get married. Okwi! Sir. You see, Prince said that we shouldn't allow Obi to enter this place. Do you hear me? Okay.
Mama, I'm done. So, I'll take my leave. Right. You're not going to say anything to me? Okay. I know I may have overstepped my boundaries. But, I mean, someone had to help around here. Mama, don't you have children? I hope you let me in. Someday. Hopefully soon. Okay. I leave you in peace.
Uncle, what is it again?
You won't believe what I just saw now.
Uncle, what has happened?
Oh, the princess.
What princess?
I saw the princess of this land, Amanze land, leaving your mother's compound just now.
What? Why? What business does the princess have with my mother?
If you ask me, who will I ask? Eh?
Uncle, I don't understand anything anymore.
Neither do I. The reason I am putting this call to you now is to let you know that if anything comes out of this, count me out. Count me out. I don't know what your mother and the princess of our land are planning. Anything that goes wrong out of this, please count me out of it. I don't want to be involved. That is my reason for calling you. Eh? Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, man. But what is princess doing in normally just? Yeah, Moranya. Madije.
Please. You need to drop this. Please.
Drop what? What exactly do you want me to drop, Obiora? Do I look like a fool to you? No, is that what I look like to you? Now listen. If you cannot make up your mind on something at this age, then be ready for some other persons to do it for you.
In that case, this conversation is over.
Obiora, don't dare walk out on me. You dare not, Obiora!
Watch me.
Obiora! Are you walking out on me? Does it mean that Prince Obiora does not want to get married? What exactly is going on with my children?
Even a gay guy will not bound a girl's legs and hands and then throw her out of the house just because he found her in his bed. Obiora, what is wrong with you? Seriously. I mean, we both know you do not have anyone else you are dating, so what exactly is the color of your problem?
Well, I will tell you my problems. If you're ready to tell me yours.
What does that even mean?
Tell me where you're coming from, and I will tell you everything about me. You don't want to talk, right? I see. We are living in a palace of secrets.
What's wrong? Get up, let's go inside. Obiageli, get up, let's go inside.
Ifaka.
Eh?
The prince is seeing another woman.
What?
Yes, I'm very shocked.
How? Did you catch them in bed?
God forbid!
So how then do you know he's seeing another woman?
Ifaka,
eh?
You need to see the way he threw me out from the palace. The prince bundled me. I mean, he tied my hands, my legs, and bundled me like a bag of trash. He threw me out! See, let me tell you, it is only a man who is seeing another woman will do that. That's not true. It is. It's not. It is. Begeli, you are humiliating yourself. Sitting here and crying like this. Let's go.
A man who leaves a woman does not deserve her tears. Let's go.
You don't know the man we are talking about. He's not just an ordinary man. I am talking about the prince, the crown prince of Aman's kingdom. He deserves my tears. He deserves my entire body. Yes!
Begeli, you are embarrassing me. See, people are passing and they are hearing you. If I can leave me alone, get up, let's go inside.
Leave me alone if I can. Leave me! Leave me, let me cry. Let the world hear me. Let people see me. Let people see me. Let everybody see me. You need to say, but if I see that woman that he is seeing, I swear, I will kill her.
Let's go inside. Stand up, let's go inside, please. See, you are embarrassed. Please, let's go inside. I beg. Let's go. Let's go inside. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay now.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
It's
okay. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. I know you're hungry. I know you want food. Alright. There you go. Sorry. Just chew it, okay? Chew water. You need to drink water. It's important. It's necessary. What are you doing? You like play? Alright. Oh my god. Please drink. Oh, Mama, you're here. Mama, I am sorry. I really did not mean to invade your privacy. It's just that I've actually followed you here and I saw you feeding her from time to time, so I decided to help out. You're still not talking to me? Well, have it in mind that I will never give up. I know there is a story here and I want to hear it. Maybe I may be able to help. Mama? Did I say something wrong? Mama? I'm coming. I'm coming, okay? Yes, eat. Mama?
I've been telling you about my breakfast and you are discussing this with me. What is it?
Nah, something has to be done.
And it must be this morning.
Nah, last night when you came back, you were very tired. I didn't want to disturb you. All my liege is getting worse by day. We need to do something about it, Nan.
Okay, suggest what we should do. No, Madiche, since you cannot let go of all Malije's trouble and her problem, provide solution. My friend, you get up here and bring my food.
No, something has to be done about it now.
And I said you must go and bring my food that I woke up with empty stomach. Nonsense. Something has to be done. Something needs to be done. On marriage or marriage on a cause a problem for herself and to us, her relatives. Or Makiji.
Seriously, Your Majesty. You can't be thinking that.
What, Rumbe?
Your Majesty.
What would you be thinking if you were in my shoes? The prince has practically refused to bring a woman home. The only woman that has finally managed to be here, he has rejected. What do you want me to think?
Your Majesty, your son, the prince, might be every other thing, but definitely not gay.
I'll go to Rumba. You know what? I am beginning to be worried. This whole thing is getting me agitated. People have started talking. The council members, they've started asking questions. Where do I go from here?
Majesty, tell them the truth.
And what truth are you talking about?
Oh, Your Majesty, tell them that your son, the prince, is not ready to get married. Simple. Honestly, Your Majesty, if anyone should be thinking of marriage here, it's you. You are still strong, young and vibrant.
How exactly do you mean?
Your Majesty, you have been a widower for years. Isn't it time for you to get married and settle down?
Calm down, it's okay. Ifaka, this is not a matter of sitting down. Sit down. Hey. It's okay. This is not the end of the world. Ifaka, please, let's go. So that we go to this place now. So that we go there.
Oh, wait. Where do you want to take me to? Where?
Ifaka.
I want us to go to a place where I will find the solution of my problems. And I cannot go alone now. Let's go now.
Wait. Calm down. This place where you want to go and find solution, doesn't it have a name? And what exactly are you seeking solution for?
The prince, of course. I want us to go to a rich doctor who will help me procure the charm I need for him.
God forbid!
Ifaka, what is wrong with you now?
I'm asking you that, Obiageli. Oh. Why are you so stubborn about your fantasies? You've refused to see reality for what it truly is. The prince does not want you. And no matter what you do, you can never change that. So why do you want to force the hands of nature and ruin both your life and his?
Ifaka, I just want to be happy.
You cannot be happy.
Hey.
Yes! Let me tell you, living with a man whose love for you does not come from the heart is like a death sentence. Whether he gives you a crown or not. Yes.
Okay. Ifaka, I am not going to give up the crown of Amanze.
And I will not be a part of this.
Ifaka,
good luck.
Ifaka! Oh, no. Oh, God. Ifaka! I'm not giving up that crown, no. Hey! Oh!
Mama! A little help here, please. Okay. I got you water. Mama, I'm wondering why there's no water in the compound. There's pipe-borne water in the village square. Mama. Mama. Mama,
Sit. We need to talk.
Mama, I don't know what you have in mind, but I promise you I'm not...
Who are you? What do you want from me?
Mama, I don't understand.
I am not going to ask that question again. I do not like humans. And I've made it known to all and sundry that I do not want to associate with them. But you've managed to force yourself into my life. Why?
Good morning and welcome home.
Who are you?
I am a friend. Actually, I've been a friend of this family for a very, very long time.
How come I am only seeing you for the first time today?
I didn't need you, that's why.
What? I don't understand.
Calm down, dear. I mean no harm to you. In fact, it is impossible for me to harm you.
Oh, what?
You will, in time. Just listen and listen carefully.
Mama, you are right. Everything happens for a reason. But I cannot tell you anything. Well, that is until you tell me the truth.
What truth?
Mama, please. You are old enough to be my mother, but that does not make me a child. I mean, it's quite clear there's nothing normal here. You seem to despise everyone that comes around you, yet you are best friends with a mad woman. Mama, you have a very kind face. The kind of face that will make anyone want to come close to you. But you have succeeded in using that thing to separate yourself from the world. Mama, I promise, if you tell me your truth, I'll tell you mine. Promise.
Are you trying to blackmail me?
Oh no, I would never do that. What I'm trying to say is, my presence here is not by choice. There's a reason to it.
Years ago, a member of your family unknowingly put his life into my hands.
I'm sorry, what?
Now there is a problem, and it is only you that can help me.
Me? Why me? I mean, what do I have to do with any of it?
I am here because you are a woman. The rest of your family members are men. I only visit women.
Okay, what do you want?
Today you will meet an old woman in distress. You will try to help her, but she will hurt you. Never you leave her side. It is the only way.
The only way for what?
To renew the bond that was created years ago between your family and hers.
The bond?
So, how did it go?
prince, I did as you asked.
Okay.
But you won't believe what happened today.
What happened? Tell me. What happened?
Well, I saw Princess leaving the palace with a bag of food.
Okay.
This morning.
Okay.
I did as you requested. And I thought that she was taking that food to a man. But lo and behold, at a point, she entered another road. For that road, I saw uncompleted building. In fact, I can't believe that princess, our own princess, can step her feet on that kind of building. Very isolated area, devastated area. Father, I don't know what to say. Don't believe it, my prince.
So what did you see? What happened? What? Tell me everything. Tell me everything, okay? Can you tell me?
I don't know how to explain it. I can't believe it, you. Hey! 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 Oh, wow. Hey! Chineke.
Can you talk to me?
I said, I don't know how to explain it.
What is the meaning of this?
Huh?
What is the meaning of this?
My prince, I swear to you, I saw her here. She was right here.
Then where is she now? Cheku, huh? Are you okay?
Yes.
Where is she?
I saw her with my two naked eyes, my prince. My prince, what's wrong?
Who are you? Who are you? Hey, come, wait.
My prince, hold on, wait. My prince, wait, come.
Princess Adora! Princess Adora! Okwi, where is Princess Adora? Will you come here fast? Where is the princess?
Your Highness, I don't know.
You know. Nobody knows anything in this compound. Go back to your duty post.
Dad?
I am sick and tired of my children behaving like lunatics in my own house. Now, can you begin to explain to me where you're coming from and why you're sneaking into your own house like a thief? Listen, if you ever bear my patience, you will see the other side of me because I am in a very bad mood today. Where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend, yes.
Listen,
I went to see a friend.
if you ever lie to me again, I am asking you for the last time, where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend, Father.
I said, don't ever lie to me again! Don't!
Your Majesty. It's Prince.
What about the prince?
I can't explain. I'm not coming to a
No, what do you mean you cannot explain? What do you mean?
My king, the prince is missing.
What? The prince is missing? How?
He went after a mad woman and I followed him, but I couldn't find him.
A mad woman?
Yes, sir.
But what exactly do you mean, mad woman? Oh my God. Is this the apocalypse or what? What in God's name is wrong with all my children? Princess Adora, do you know anything about this? Now, do you know anything about this? Now come with me. Come with me! Come with me. Come with me.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Oh my God! What have I done? How could I have been so careless? Obiora followed me here. Obiora followed me here and now she's missing. What do I do? What do I say to Mama? What do I say to Mama if she finds out? What do I say? Oh God.
I can't find her. Where could she be? I've looked for her everywhere. Something is definitely not right. Princess Adora, you have some explanation to do.
Mama, I begged you. I asked you to tell me your story, but you refused. Why? Mama, what secrets are you hiding? Mama, look, if you cannot tell me anything, just, okay, tell me who that mad woman is to you. Please, I am just trying to help. Mama, please, who is she to you? And why is she the only friend you have in this entire kingdom? Mama, please, you need to tell me because that's the only way I can help you find her, please.
Help find her?
No. That's not what I meant. That's not it. What I meant, that's not what I meant. Mama, what I meant was... Mama. Mama. What have I done? What have I done? How do I find him?
Your Majesty, I keep telling you to place tabs on your children. Find a way of clipping their wings, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Ichie Aguturumbe.
Your Majesty.
Is this the only way you can be of help to me? Because as far as I am concerned, you are only making matters worse.
Your Majesty, what else do you expect me to say? How can a full-grown man like the prince be missing in broad daylight? Is he a pin in a haystack?
Excuse me.
Talk of the devil himself. Is that not the prince?
Where is she? I said, where is Antonia?
You are back.
Hey, Prince Obiora. Can you begin to explain to me where you're coming from? Can you begin to talk?
My prince, are you alright?
Prince Obiora, if you ever walk out of it, Obiora! And you! Can you swear to me that you do not have a hand in all of this? Can you?
Igwe, my king, the truth is that there is no simple definition, explanation for this.
Now listen to me. If I ever find out that you have a hand in any of this, I will skin you alive. I will!
I'm telling you the truth.
Where is she? 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 Where is she?
Please, just relax.
My daughter.
Mama, what am I going to do, Mama?
Where is she?
Mama, please calm down. Mama, relax so that we can look for her together. Please, just
Don't you dare touch me ever again. I knew from the first day I met you that your offers of generosity and kindness would turn out to cause so much pain and misery, because that's how you humans are. All that generosity and kindness would end up bringing me pain.
Mama,
so much pain.
Mama, you know that is not true. Mama, please. Mama, hold on.
Your Majesty, enough is enough. From all that have happened, it is clear that you are no longer the head of this household.
Excuse me? What is that supposed to mean?
Your Majesty, look at your children. Not only are they living lives entirely different from yours, but they have become mysteries to you.
Aguturumbe.
Your Majesty.
Thank you very much for the insult.
Never meant to insult you, Your Majesty.
Thank you very much.
If you had agreed to take a second wife, as I've always suggested, Your Majesty, where are you going?
We can find her together. Mama, please, we can find her together. We need to put our heads together and find her. Mama, please.
I must find her.
Mama, just hold on. Just wait for 1 minute. Let's put our heads together, Mama. We cannot find her this way.
How dare you? Huh? What? Huh?
What are you doing? What are you doing, Mama?
Hey! What is going on here? Obiora!
I have been waiting and no one is talking. Are you ready to speak? Or do you want me to force the words out of you? Believe me, I will gladly do that. Who is going to be the first to talk? Believe me, it is going to be far better for you if none of you tries my patience. Don't ever try that because I am going to lose it. Who is talking? Obiora. What are you trying to do? Obiora. No, are you trying to walk out on me? Not. And you, Princess Adora.
Father.
Are you ready to redeem yourself?
Father, I do not have anything to say.
You do not have anything to say?
No.
Onye mebuna mmadụ ibe ya.
Your Majesty, I swear on my life, I don't know anything. I don't know anything at all.
I want you to swear to me by the gods of our ancestors that you are not lying to me.
I swear on my life.
You said something about a mad woman. Who is that mad woman? And what is the business she's having with my children?
I have no idea, Your Majesty. I told her, what do you hear, Mama?
Open the gates. Open the gates. Sorry, I want to see the prince. I want to see the prince. You're locking the gates.
Okay. See, nobody in the palace is ready to attend to anybody. In fact, if I let you in now, you're going there is totally useless.
Listen, if you don't know it, I want you to know it now. One day, Obi, I am going to be the queen of this palace. Just pray. Pray you don't walk here then, because I will personally mastermind your sack.
Look at you! Are you not ashamed of yourself? Now why the Kenya Baroka? You look sour. Yes! Look at me! I am a cat! What would you do? I am a cat. But I don't see that idle woman in you. I don't know what makes Prince to see you worry or stay with you. I don't know.
Jeku, you just a common guard. You said this to me? You said this to me!
Let me tell you one thing that you don't know. The original truth. In fact, you are not welcome into this palace. Prince doesn't love you. And I don't know.
You will regret this. You are going to regret this! I swear you will regret it!
See, let me tell you one thing that you don't know. You just forgot the day you came here. How the prince bundled you like a firewood. Yes! Do you know the funniest thing about it? The prince took time to bind your hands and your leg. That's to show you that Prince doesn't love you. Prince doesn't love you.
Yes! 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 He threw me! But the king stood by me. The king himself stood by me. Oh, yes! The king. If you don't know that, the king stood by me.
So the king stood by you. So you have to wait for the king until he decides by himself the day will come and pay your price. Huh?
This is not over. Just wait.
See, let me tell you. See, your chapter in this story of loving of a king is totally over. Go and stop loving Prince.
Shut up!
Hey!
You're stupid! Stupid!
I come in peace. About what happened the last time, I'm really sorry, okay? The truth is that I really want to see her.
Obiora, before I say anything, I need to ask you a question.
Okay. go ahead and ask and I will answer you. Just ask me what you want to know and I will answer you, okay?
Okay. Was it you? Just be honest with me, please.
I don't get you. Was it me that did what?
Are you responsible for her madness? It's okay, you can tell me. Please.
Why will you ask such a question? Huh?
Because you've been acting strange ever since we found out about her. I mean, I need to understand the reason you're desperate. I don't get it.
Well, I don't know. Major reason I want to see her, okay? I don't really know. I want to see her so that I will understand it. So tell me, please. Where is she?
Obiora, I won't lie to you. I have no idea where she is. I don't know.
You don't want to tell me?
Believe me, I do not know where she is. I'm looking for her. I have no idea where she ran to.
Evil people roaming around the place looking for innocent people to destroy. Eh? What kind of thing is this? How?
Mama, good morning.
What's wrong, Jenny? Can't get good morning. Oh, you're out here to mock me, right? Does it look that there's something good about me this morning? Why are you telling me good morning, Wanya? What is What is it? Look at your mad hair. Eh? You actually look like a mad woman. Look at Nkei 3 times to you. What is all this nonsense? No wonder you're not married. No wonder. How can you marry when you're looking like this? You think you're the only one that has shape. Look at you. Pull your blouse down. If you want to marry, go and make a dress that will cover your bottom. Ogenidu, that's why you're still single. You will never marry, idiot. Nonsense. Ask him good morning. How? Ginika, mama. Ginika, I beg you no. My baby girl, I beg you no. Ginika.
Your Majesty, they still want to talk to you?
Not even a single word.
How did it get to this? Your Majesty, how is it that we are living in the same house with 2 strangers that are supposed to be your biological children?
I'll go to room there.
Your Majesty.
Honestly, I missed my late wife.
Majesty.
Oh yes, that is because I am learning the hard way. Now I know better that a mother is indeed that strong bond that binds a family together.
It is well, Your Majesty.
Wherever it will take, wherever it will cost, bring it to me. I will pay. I will foot it. Did you hear that? I want you to liaise with the people in this village. You know them. They will give you information on how to get her. I want you to look for her. Did you hear what I said?
My prince, do you mean the mad woman?
No. The Queen of England. Are you stupid? So you were not following all I have been saying since?
Please pardon me. Oh, Baran.
I want you to look for her. Did you get it? Look for her. Whatever it will take, bring it to me. I will foot it. I'll give you. But look for her. Talk with others. Get information about her. Look for her and come to me, okay?
Yes, my prince. In fact, I will do everything humanly possible to get her.